I'll never forget the night I ruined a family dinner using a cheap, tiny air fryer. Half the food was burnt, the other half soggy, and my kitchen smelled like a grease fire. Choosing the right air cooker today is a nightmare because the market is flooded with misleading claims and useless gimmicks. So I bought and rigorously tested the top models of the year to find out which ones actually deliver that perfect oil-free crunch. But be warned, one insanely popular premium brand completely failed my tests. Let's dive into the definitive ranking. 7. Ninja DZ550. When a Ninja DZ550 arrived at my testing kitchen, the very first thing I noticed was its absolutely massive footprint. This 10-quart, dual-zone behemoth commands an incredible amount of counter space, making it visually overwhelming before you even plug it in. I was initially excited to test its sheer capacity, imagining huge batches of wings and fries cooking simultaneously for game day. The build quality feels sturdy, as you would expect from the Ninja brand, and the digital interface is undeniably sleek and easy to read from across the room. The main selling point of this specific model is the integrated Footy Smart Thermometer, which is designed to take the guesswork out of cooking proteins. You're supposed to plug the probe into your steak or chicken, select your desired doneness, and let the machine do the rest. In theory, this is a brilliant feature for an air cooker, blending the high-heat crisping capabilities of an air fryer with the precision of a dedicated meat roaster. I tested this feature by attempting to cook 2 medium-rare steaks in the primary zone while roasting Brussels sprouts in the secondary zone. Unfortunately, this is where my testing experience took a frustrating turn. The smart thermometer proved to be incredibly finicky and often gave false readings, resulting in a steak that was disappointingly overcooked on the edges and raw in the center. Furthermore, I discovered a significant flaw in how the DZ550 distributes its power. When both zones are running simultaneously at maximum heat, the unit seemingly splits its wattage, leading to a noticeable drop in cooking power. 6. Breville BOV 900 BSS. Stepping into the realm of premium kitchen appliances, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a beautiful, stainless steel beast that looks like a miniature commercial oven. Straight out of the box, it screams luxury, and the sheer number of accessories it comes with made me eager to start testing. It is designed to be a complete replacement for your traditional oven, boasting a massive interior that can easily accommodate a 14-pound turkey or a standard 12-cup muffin tray. The LCD display is intuitive, offering 13 different smart cooking functions ranging from dehydrating to slow cooking. During my initial tests, I used the super convection setting to roast a whole chicken, and the results were visually stunning. The heat distribution across the multiple racks is generally quite even when baking, and the fan operates with a quiet, refined hum that puts cheaper appliances to shame. I also appreciated the internal oven light, which allowed me to monitor the cooking process without constantly opening the heavy glass door and letting all the heat escape. However, when evaluated strictly as an air cooker, the Breville quickly begins to show its limitations and heavy drawbacks. Because of its cavernous interior, it takes a painfully long time to preheat compared to standard pod-style air fryers. When I try to make a simple batch of frozen French fries, the total time from turning the machine on to pulling out the food was nearly double what I experienced with other units. More importantly, the air frying results simply lacked that intense, rapid-fire crunch. The fan, while powerful for an oven, just cannot circulate air fast enough in that large space to replicate the deep-fried texture we all want from an air fryer. 5. Ninja Crispi Pro. This unit takes a completely different approach with its beautiful, heavy-duty glass bowl design. Unboxing this felt entirely unique, as the main cooking vessel is completely transparent. I love the fact that I could watch my food transform and brown from every single angle without ever having to pause the cooking cycle or remove a basket. This machine operates with a portable heating pod that snaps securely onto the top of the glass bowl, turning it into a highly efficient convection chamber. It features 6 different cooking functions, and the top-down heating element is surprisingly powerful. I tested it by making a batch of homemade mozzarella sticks, a notoriously difficult item to air fry without the cheese exploding everywhere. The precise temperature control allowed the breading to crisp up beautifully while keeping the cheese perfectly contained. What surprised me the most during my testing was the exceptional heat retention of the glass bowl itself. Not only did it help cook the food evenly from the bottom up, but it also served as an incredibly practical serving dish. Once the cooking was done, I simply removed the power pod, placed the bowl on the included trivet, and served dinner directly from the vessel. This drastically reduced the number of dishes I had to wash, and the glass bowl wiped clean effortlessly with just a bit of warm, soapy water. While the capacity is undeniably smaller than the giant ovens I previously tested, the Ninja Crispi Pro makes up for it with sheer convenience and aesthetic brilliance. It is incredibly easy to store because the power pod can be separated from the bowl, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or apartments. 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. When I set this 6-core machine on my counter, the first feature that caught my eye was the clear cook window combined with an internal light. Just like the Glass Ninja, being able to see my food without pulling the basket out is a game changer. But the Vortex Plus offers this in a more traditional, high-capacity drawer format. The touch controls fade seamlessly into the sleek black fascia, giving it a highly modern and unobtrusive look. What truly elevated this machine during my testing, however, was the built-in odor erase technology. I'm always skeptical of marketing buzzwords, so I put this to the ultimate test by air frying a heavily seasoned batch of salmon fillets. Usually, this leaves the house smelling like a fish market for 2 days. Amazingly, the replaceable air filters trapped almost all the cooking smells. I could stand right next to the machine and only detect the faintest hint of food, which is an absolute blessing for anyone living in an open-concept home. In terms of pure cooking performance, the Vortex Plus is a powerhouse. It preheats in a matter of seconds and maintains a remarkably consistent internal temperature. I ran a test with a full basket of sweet potato fries, which are notorious for turning out soggy. The high-speed air circulation system aggressively wicketed away moisture, resulting in fries that were fluffy on the inside and audibly crunchy on the outside. The nonstick coating on the grill plate is also exceptionally high quality, releasing food easily without leaving a burnt residue behind. This air cooker fixes the two biggest annoyances of traditional air frying: cooking blind and lingering odors. 3. Philips 5000 series. Philips practically invented the modern air fryer, and testing the 5000 series proves that they still hold a masterful grasp over airflow dynamics. The moment you handle the drawer of this machine, you can feel the premium build quality. It is solid, perfectly balanced, and slides into place with a satisfying click. This specific dual basket model features a unique asymmetrical design, offering one large basket for main courses and a smaller one for side dishes, which I found incredibly intuitive for planning complete, cohesive meals. The real magic of the Philips 5000 series lies in its patented starfish bottom design. During my testing, I cooked a batch of skin-on chicken thighs, which naturally render a lot of fat. The internal geometry of the basket creates a localized tornado of superheated air that sweeps directly under the food. This completely eliminated the need for me to open the drawer and shake the chicken halfway through the cooking process. The heat distribution is so mathematically precise that every single thigh came out with uniformly blistered, crispy skin. Furthermore, this machine is phenomenal at fat extraction. The unique airflow not only crisps the exterior, but actively pulls excess oil away from the food, trapping it safely beneath the crisping plate so it doesn't smoke or burn. When I poured out the drippings after cooking, I was amazed by how much grease had been separated from my meal. Despite this intense fat-stripping power, the meat inside remained incredibly juicy, proving that the unit seals in moisture perfectly while aggressively attacking the exterior. While Philips units tend to be priced at a premium, the 5000 series justifies every single penny through sheer, unadulterated performance. 2. Ninja DoubleStack XL. The Ninja is quite simply the most brilliant design innovation I have seen in the air frying space in years. Dual-zone fryers are notoriously wide, eating up precious counter space. But Ninja solved this by stacking the baskets vertically. Setting this up in my kitchen felt like a revelation. I was getting a massive 10 quarts of cooking capacity in the footprint of a standard single basket fryer. The sleek, towering design looks highly futuristic and immediately sparked my curiosity regarding how well it could actually cook. My primary concern before testing was heat distribution. I assumed that a vertical design would mean the top basket would cook differently than the bottom, or that flavors might somehow bleed. I was entirely wrong. Ninja engineered the double stack with independent heating elements and fans located at the back of the machine, driving heat forward into each basket with incredible force. I loaded the bottom with a pork roast and the top with asparagus. Both cooked with astonishing independence, maintaining their own strict temperature zones without any crossover of aromas or heat. The Smart Finish feature is the star of the show here. You can program two completely different foods with different temperatures and cooking times, and the machine will intelligently delay the start of the faster cooking item, so both finish simultaneously. When my timer went off, I pulled out a perfectly caramelized roast and bright, crispy asparagus at the exact same moment. Additionally, Ninja includes clever wire racks that allow you to layer food within each basket, effectively giving you 4 distinct cooking levels. This machine is an absolute godsend for busy families and meal preppers. It manages to offer cavernous capacity while respecting the limits of your kitchen counter. 1. Cosori TurboBlaze. This machine completely blew me away during testing, redefining exactly how fast and efficient an air fryer can be. Outwardly, it features a beautifully sleek, minimalist design that looks stunning on the counter, but the real revolution is hidden inside. Unlike standard fryers that use traditional AC motors, the TurboBlaze is powered by an advanced DC motor, which changes the game entirely. This DC motor allows for ultra-precise, variable fan speeds depending on the cooking function you select. When I tested the proofing and dehydrating functions, the fan slowed down to a gentle, whisper-quiet breeze, allowing dough to rise perfectly without drying out. But when I cranked it up to its maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying, the fan spun at incredible speeds. I tested this by flash frying a ribeye steak, and the sheer velocity of the hot air gave the meat a restaurant-quality sear in a fraction of the time it takes in a cast iron pan. The cooking speed of the TurboBlaze is genuinely staggering. Throughout my rigorous testing, I found that it cooked meals up to 46% faster than the other top-tier models on this list. A basket of frozen wings that usually takes 22 minutes was perfectly crispy and bone-tender in just 12 minutes. Beyond the speed, the premium ceramic-coated basket is completely free of Teflon, making it safer, highly durable, and arguably the easiest basket to clean that I have ever encountered. A quick rinse under the tap is all it takes to wash away baked-on marinades. The Cosori TurboBlaze is the ultimate culmination of power, speed, and versatility. The variable fan speeds give you unprecedented control over your food's texture. The DC motor runs significantly quieter than the competition, and the expansive temperature range makes it capable of replacing half the appliances in your kitchen. Ultra. That's all for today.